Woke up 30 minutes ago. I need to grab some stuff from the apartment and do some grocery shopping. Then I'll head to my house and start setting up. Okay. I think the first thing I'm gonna do is the unagi tamagoyaki. I kind of only have one shot at this, so I really can't mess it up. I just need to make sure that the egg is on the lowest heat possible. So cute.
Should I wear this?
Damn, those jeans are stiff.
I know. They're fresh out of the wash.
Could you get started by washing that that lettuce? Love you, I do. So, like, obviously one person's not gonna eat all of this, right? This is like kind of...
You're gonna grill that, yeah?
Yeah. So why don't I grill these three and then cut them in half?
I just feel bad that somebody's gonna have a bottom half. Okay, I have an idea. Grill them and then cut them into like multiple slices so then people can take the slices that they want.
Yes.
Really?
Definitely.
Oh, hell yeah! Oh my gosh, so cute!
Okay. Ooh, I got it actually. Anyways, let's... Okay. Let me see. Let me check the menu. Could I employ you?
Yes.
To slice the salmon?
Of course.
Okay. This is unagi egg.
Unagi?
Yes, take that piece. This just has sauce, so you can enjoy that one. It's pretty good, right?
Yeah. I taste the sauce in it too.
Okay.
That and boy, I was like, wow. It's to go full-time brand. To go full-time brand, you know, something literally no. And
It's like
didn't even look
so.
like and we were like, holy shit. So I'm not seeing it in there.
Or is it all of these? Yes. Okay. Oh my god, the ad pop-ups in this damn in the recipe.
Yes! I can't even read the damn recipe. I've fried chicken before and you just eyeball it.
You fried chicken before and you just eyeball it?
Yeah, I made chicken katsu for some folk when I was at Hopkins and I just told somebody, like, I was like, oh, just
Throw
throw
these
these
in
raw,
there.
y'all.
Tell me if it's raw, you said?
Yeah, and it's fine.
Do you need this juice anymore?
No juice.
Okay, I'm gonna drink
Juice
it.
is all good.
Whoa! That looks professional. That looks the way it's supposed to look.
We were supposed to keep the sauce.
Oh! I
It's
just
okay,
traded
it's okay,
it.
it's okay.
Call me back.
Hey, you guys, it actually didn't take that long. I started at like 5 o'clock.
Bonsoir. Bonsoir, my friends and family. I shall present to you the first dish of the night. Salmon crudo with truffle oil.
We're like all so proud.
Oui, oui. The salmon is sourced from H Mars. And the truffle oil is from truff. I hope you enjoy. How should I serve this? I'm thinking I can two pieces of salmon.
Oh, she's generous too.
I got two pieces of salmon for you. 2 pieces of salmon for you.
Merci beaucoup. Oh wow, the stacking is crazy.
Right.
Wow. At least you. Oh yes, you are eating me. 1 or 2 pieces of salmon for you. Do you have 2 as well? No, 1. How about I cut it in half? Me. You guys, I made the truffle lemon sauce, so that was all me. Courtesy of my sous chef Alice. Cheers! If you guys want more sauce, here you go.
Okay, I think it's time to retire.
Wow. That's fire.
How is this? How's the salmon, guys?
It's pretty good. Uh-huh.
Is the truffle there for you?
It's very good.
Yes.
Okay, fire.
Yeah.
The next is an extra special Toro
Wow.
Oh.
Merci beaucoup.
I will let you put your own soy sauce. I'm not going to do that. I can't believe that we get Toro tonight.
Me and Johnny.
Let's cheers.
Elise gets a delicious piece.
So why didn't you do salad first?
Because the salad. Girl, don't. Girl! I know what I'm doing, okay? I know what I'm doing.
And also in your mouth.
Period.
So soft.
You're treating us good tonight, Eva.
I know.
I'm fattening you up.
Oh.
For what?
The next dish is unagi tamagoyaki desu. One small.
So yummy.
Okay, if I remember correctly, the next is gonna be the butteriest burnt sandwich you've ever eaten in your life. AKA, this is screaming cabbage. That's what I'm calling it. Roasted cabbage with miso lime butter,
Wow.
miso lemon butter, and pumpkin seeds and sesame seeds.
Yeah.
Let me know which piece.
Okay, this one.
Okay.
Thank you.
I'm sorry if it's too oily. I'm so sorry.
Buttery is screaming cabbage.
Johnny.
This is the best we've had in a while.
Yeah.
Oh my god, you guys.
You made all
Aww. We made all of this.
Wait, and with the bread, it's really good. Yeah, the season is good. Yummy.
Whoa.
We got them yourself.
Right.
Dare I say the burnt part is the best
Best
part?
part.
Yeah.
Would anyone like seconds of the non-burnt part though? Something. Wait, fantastic.
Stunning.
Wow.
Oh,
it's really cute. Okay.
Wow, this is actually.
Everybody gets 2 pieces actually.
Wow. The generosity.
So 1 wing and 1 dramette, I think this is.
This is the abundance
Yes.
mindset.
Yes. Everybody eats mindset.
Right.
1 wing and 1 dramette, extra L.
Wow.
Ah! 1 wing and 1 dramette. Oh, that was good. 1 wing. Drummit.
Thank you, Captain.
Oh yes, spicing it up. Which one do you want?
That one.
This one.
I like the burnt one.
Wow. And which drumette?
This dramatic. I'm excited. You know I was gonna pick that Tiny Tim.
Is it actually good?
So good.
This is so yummy.
Wow.
Really? Say it to the camera.
This is so good! I'm never buying chicken out again.
Okay.
It
tastes like islandette.
For reals? It's just fish sauce and sugar, low key, guys. Okay.
Bro.
Oh my god, it's because I marinated it overnight, guys. At like 8 o'clock, I walked to Trader Joe's and I got it. And I got chicken legs or chicken wings, and I just threw them in the marinade.
That's a lost one.
That's good. Thank you. Don't fact check that, guys.
Yeah, don't fact check it.
Crawling to me, hopefully.
Oh god, that pasta! That pasta does not look good.
You're not supposed to have pasta just sit there.
It's fine, I'm on it. You're like, what is it, the mochi guys? They're like, oi. Now we have a Thai steak salad. Oh, I'm just gonna do this in front of you guys.
I love that
Wow.
Asian theme.
Yes.
This is kind of just all my favorite